Forget about all the actually, so they're not the inventors of it. Actually, white name was slapped on that invention instead of actual person. That's why just be a pagan all the time.
Oh no, full truth. And the rivet went through the plastic bottle, but it didn't go. It went all the way through here and stayed there. So I have to try something else. So now I'm going to try the string here. Pray for me. Okay, guys. So this is holding up. I just used this string here and just made an apparatus and stuck it through the hole there. That where it went through, I used that hole, and then I'm going to tighten these with these two in the middle. The middle two I'm going to put together, and the ends I put to the chassis, the structure of Chiga. So that should hold it. So I can have like a little place to stand under. See, like this, or sit. That's it.